Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to check system information in Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. You can check Windows 10 system information in two ways. One command prompt and another one is graphical mode. First of all, I am going to show you how to check system information in command prompt. In search, type CMD, open command prompt. In command prompt, type system info. Now hit enter. Processing system information. Look, these all are the system information. Operating system name, operating system version, operating system manufacturer, operating system configuration, built-in type, registered owner, registered organization, product ID, original installation date, system boot, manufacturer. This is the processor information, this is BIOS information, this is the boot device, and you will find many other informations from here. Here the information about the memory RAM. You will find all of this information from command prompt also. And now I'm going to show you how to find this information in graphical mode. In search, type system information. This is the system information. Click on system information. You will find the same information here. Operating system name, version, OS description, OS manufacturer, operating system name, system manufacturer, model. All of this information you will find here also. These are the two ways to find operating system information in Windows 10 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.